You guys will see right here, this is a payment of 7,200 and this is another payment of 5,000. And if I scroll a little bit, I'm gonna see this is another payment of 30,000. So if I keep on scrolling and scrolling, I'm gonna see that I've received a lot of payment right here from this website that I'm gonna be sharing with you right here in this video. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 4 websites that's gonna actually pay you every single day. So it does not matter anywhere you are in the world, this website are gonna work for you. So all I just want you guys to do now for me is to please pay close attention to every little things I'm gonna be teaching. If it's the first time watching me right here on YouTube, my name is Ola, and what I basically do right here on my channel is literally walk you through how to make money online. So I go over to the internet to test out stuff. So and if I see this stuff has worked out for me, I come over to my channel to share with you guys. So if you're really interested about making money online, I'm gonna advise you smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So that we're gonna be looking at right here into this video is this website right here, and you guys could see right here that you could literally get paid to complete simple survey right here on your phone. So all you need to do right here is to just share your opinion on this website and you're gonna be getting paid. So and I'm gonna guarantee you that you guys are not gonna be running out of survey, because this website has a lot of survey that you guys could literally fill out. But guys, this website is not currently working for those of us that may be watching this video from Africa. I still got a lot of website that's gonna work in your country, so you guys should just chill and pay close attention. So this website is only for those in a first world country like the US, the UK. So the reason I'm only bringing this website as my first list right here is because I know I have a lot of audience from the UK, Canada and all of that. So you guys could just jump right here on this website. And by the way, you could literally get paid through PayPal, you could get paid through Screw and other payment methods. So all you need to do is just create an account by clicking on the register button. So once you click on the register button, it's basically simple. Just fill out your name, your nickname, then fill out your email address. Then once you're done with that, you're going to be creating an account. So you could just literally go through this process, then you're going to start making money. Second website that we're going to be looking at right here is this website, and you guys could see that you could literally earn money by just watching YouTube videos. So you could just watch a lot of YouTube videos and you're going to be getting paid, because I know a lot of you guys literally watch a lot of YouTube videos and you guys are not getting paid for the video you watch. But on this website is going to be paying you per every little video you watch. And one thing I love about this website is you are never going to run out of videos. So there's a lot of video that you could literally watch right here on this website. So once you're done watching this video right here, they're going to be paying you your money into your bank account. So the first thing you need to do right here is to just create an account. So if you know you haven't created an account, just click on start earning now. So once you click on the start earning now right here, they're going to take you to this page right here where you'll be asked to fill out your email address, then fill out your password. Then once you're done with that, confirm you're not a robot, then click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, this is how your account is going to look like. You guys are going to notice that I have some earnings right here in my account. So I've already withdrawn some money right here from this account right here. So if I scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see my stacks for today, and these are the videos I watched for today right here. So in order for you to start making money on this website, all you need to do is to head over to the video section at the down corner. So once you click on the video section right here, it's going to take you straight to this page where you'll be asked to you just click on the watch video option. So once you click on this watch video option, it's going to take you over to this page where you're gonna see a lot of YouTube videos that you could just watch. So you could just watch all this 10-second video right here and your money is going to be credited into your account. So let me just click on this play button right here. So it's going to load up the video for us straight up. Guys could see right here that the video is downloading, and you can see they just credited our money into our account right here. So let me just head over to my dashboard right here. So if I head over to my dashboard, you guys are going to notice that the money has been credited. You can see right here that our balance just increased from 0.24 right here to 0.48. So you could just watch a lot of YouTube videos on this website right here and you're going to be getting paid. And by the way, this website is literally available anywhere you are. It does not matter anywhere you are in the world, this website is going to be accepting you right here. So guys, what I'm going to advise you do right here to make a lot of money for yourself is I'm going to advise you to watch at least 1,000 video a day if you really know you want to cash out quickly on this website. And I know it's not gonna be easy, but yeah, there's a lot of video you could literally watch if you know you could dedicate at least 5 to like 10 hours of your time to this website. I could guarantee you are going to be cashing out from this website. And by the way, they're going to be paying you through cryptocurrency. So if you know you don't have a Binance account, you can make sure you go create a Binance account. So they're going to be paying you straight into your USDT wallets or your B2B wallet. So you just go over to the payment option. So once you head over to the payment option, you're going to be able to set your payment info. And you can see right here they have different kind of payment option right here on the website. Just make sure you choose the payment option that suits you the best. So right here we're going to move on to the next website, which is this website right here. And again, this website is not available for those of us that may be watching this video from Africa. So it's only for the first world countries. So if you know you are in the US, UK, Canada and all of this country, this website is going to be accepting you. So all you need to do is to sign up to create an account. So once you create an account right here, basically you're going to be making money by completing simple service on this website. You could play games, do a lot of stuff right here. This website is going to be paying you. So this website is going to be paying you through into your PayPal account. So or you can literally get paid into your Venmo account. So just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. And by the way, this app has a lot of review right here on Trustpilot. So if I head over to Trustpilot right here, I'm gonna see a lot of of review right here. You can see this is 5-star review, 5-star ratings, another 5-star ratings, 5-star ratings. If I keep on scrolling down, you're gonna be just be seeing 5-star, 4-star, 5-star, 4-star ratings to tell you that this website is legit and you could literally make money right here from this website. You can see this is a verified profile right here that's literally dropping a review about this website. So you can see this website has over 60,000 review right here from people who has literally make money from the website. So to tell you this is not some scam or whatever, so you could just make sure you go to the website, create an account for yourself and start making money for yourself. And by the way, if you know you found the video helpful so far, please consider smashing the subscribe button, like the video right here, and also feel free to drop your comment if you know you want to ask me any question. So the next website we're going to be looking at right here in this video is this website right here, and basically you could literally make money by just watching videos on your phone. So this website is also similar to the second website that I showed you right here in this video, and also this website is available worldwide. It does not matter anywhere you are in the world. This website is going to be accepting you right here. So all you need to do right here is just click on this create an account button right here. So once you click on the create an account button, you'll be able to create an account. And by the way, this website has paid over $62,000 right here to its users to tell you that this website right here is literally legit and they're literally paying a lot of people. And this website has over 454,000 members to tell you people are literally using this website and are literally making money for themselves. So all you need to do is to create an account. So once you create an account on the website right here, you could just sign in using your Gmail account, and I'm going to be signing into my account right here to show you how the dashboard literally looks like. So you guys could see right here that I've already logged into my account. I could see right here that I have a couple of dollars right here in my account right here. And by the way, I made some withdrawals right here for this website. So this website is also going to be paying you through cryptocurrency. Like I said, if you know you haven't created a Binance account or a Trust Wallet account, I'm going to advise you go do so right here. So you can literally get paid by just watching video on the website. So all you need to do is to head over to the video option right here. And by the way, there are tons of videos you could watch on this website that you're going to be getting paid. So you can see right here, these are a lot of videos, and I could guarantee you that you're never going to run out of videos. Just click on the watch video option. So once you click on the watch video option, it's going to take you straight up to this page. Just click on the play button. So once you click on the play button, it's going to load up the video. And by the way, this video are just 10 seconds long, so you could just watch 10 seconds video and you're going to be getting paid. You guys can see right here that we are done watching the video and our money has been credited into our account successfully. So let me just head over to my dashboard. You guys can see right here that our money just increased from 44 to 66 right here. That is $66. So you could just literally watch a lot of videos. Like I said, you need to make sure you're watching at least 1,000 video every single day. You need to make sure you dedicate at least 5 to 10 hours of your time on this website, so you'll be able to make a lot of money for yourself. Because if you are lazy right here, this website might not actually work for you. It's not for lazy people, it's only for people that are willing to put in the work. And you guys know that it is 2024 already, so compliment of the season and happy new year to all my subscribers. You guys should make sure to set a goal for yourself right here in 2024. If you know you are kind of person that is lazy before, this year is the time for you to change right here. Start working hard, work smart right here, so you'll be able to achieve success for yourself. So I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you know you did, consider smashing the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And by the way, if you also want to learn how to make money online, you can literally just check out the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.